Yes, the radio play is done. Yes, sir, Amanda thinks she was in charge all this time. Yes, sir, I plan to take out her friend Zelly as well. She seems to know too much. I agree, sir. She isn't as big a Metal Gear fan as you, and this whole time Amanda thought she was the inferior one. Yes, sir, I'm planning on recruiting Sean and Cameron. Those two will be perfect for brothers in arms. Yes, sir. Zero is planning to change Amanda's name to yours, so that you'll take all of the credit. No, sir. Mel Gibson's name will not be on it. We don't need bad credit. Yes, sir. No, sir. She had no idea her closest friend was in charge of the whole thing. Yes, thank you, sir. I'll see you soon, Mr. Hater.